Today I'm going to show you a technique that I use in every painting that I do, and that is an even wash. And I've started by mixing my paint, and then I'm placing it on the paper and just blending it out without adding any more water or any more paint. This will really help keep the paint looking even, as the technique name suggests. And I'll try that again with another color. I've mixed this yellow and I'm going to paint a circle. Now I've painted out the outside of my circle and I'm just going in and filling in the middle without adding any more paint or any more water. And last I'm going to do the same thing with this blue triangle. See how even you can get your basic shapes when you try this out. If you tried this technique, post a picture of it over on Instagram and use the hashtag Snowberry Challenge. I can't wait to see what you create.